good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here just to share my experience in the markets with y'all so y'all can become better informed investors. So today we have another Saitama update, but first things first, make sure y'all come join our private investment community to get some of my free alerts that I give out, private stock market game. If you're not able to join this group because you're not following me on Twitter or something like that, I highly suggest you follow me on Twitter. If you don't, make it into the group also, because it's just it's a waiting list right now. Everybody will be let in, but you need to be on this list. But until you get in the group, come follow me on Twitter. Stay follow me on Twitter, but just come see what's going on Twitter. You can see some of those free plays spill over here as well. So shout out to Jay Gagan. Y'all know we just did the Saitama live stream yesterday. We got 5,400 views on that. Salute to everybody that watched that one. We did a 2-hour masterclass on technical analysis for beginners, basically getting y'all, better informed on how to read a chart and just how to do some technical analysis. So make sure y'all come check out this video right here on his channel. So let's see where we are for the day. So we were just down about 28% for the day, almost 30%. Right now it's at 29.5%. So just about 30%. This is a marvelous buying opportunity, y'all. I talked about this on the stream yesterday that I like to pull the trigger around a 15% dip. And this is just, a superb buying opportunity if y'all truly believe in this project. Now remember, this is not financial advice, but if you were going to buy this project at the top, if you were thinking about it buying it then this is a way better position to enter. So pull my chart up from yesterday. So this is what I had. So a lot of people were disappointed or upset during that stream that I called that the price would be pulling back, and they were upset about that, saying Saitama doesn't follow normal markets and charts. And I understand that. I understand how people can be extremely bullish where they can almost be just basically not trying to hear anything else. And salute to y'all. I ain't trying to ruffle no feathers, but for y'all that really want to understand what's going on and learn about the markets and really understand how to read a chart, look at what I said yesterday. I told y'all, I said this would be a significant point in the chart where we could see a support at if the price decided to pull back. So I called out live on that stream that I was waiting to buy in at this point. So y'all see we hit that 38.2% range, and then I told y'all also on that stream it can also pull down to this 50% range here. Now I told y'all if we see it cross this 50% range, then it can fall at this 61.8 level, which is exactly where I told y'all when we marked the resistance and support levels on the chart. I told y'all this was a resistance level, and I told y'all the previous resistance levels becomes major support levels. So look at where exactly it failed to. So we follow this line back here, it goes straight to this prior resistance. So we're supported here right now. We did pull a little bit underneath that. I'm a little bit concerned about that. Hopefully we can hold here, but if it breaks this 50 mark, then that can sometimes mean temporarily the bullish trend is over with. So not saying forever, but just it will be some consolidation around this range until we get some new catalyst, some new news or something like that to be, to push the price up again. So I think this is an excellent support to enter in a position if you haven't already, or just to add some to your bag. If you haven't, like, why wouldn't you want to buy some 30% off if you already believed in the project? So we can see that the volume is heavy right now. We had a lot of volume, a lot of buying, or a lot of when you see the volume candles like this just means a lot of action is happening. So it can be buying or selling, but the color determines what action is happening most. So we can see that because this is a large red candle, we can see a lot of selling is happening. Even in this volume candle right here, we can see a lot of volume picking up, but that's more sellers selling. That's why we're seeing the price run down like this. So I'm looking to hopefully hold here, definitely add into the bag at this point. Y'all know those ETH fees are crazy though right now, but this is, it's looking good. You want to see a healthy pullback. When we get something that goes almost parabolic like this, basically straight up, you want to see some type of correction to a previous support level so that it's healthy and it can continue its trend along this range here. So that's just a quick update for that. That's all we got, man. I'm very bullish on this project. I think we have a lot of potential, but I wanted to show y'all an article for a 2025 price prediction. Now this is from the Market Realist. So basically y'all can see from their name, it's realist. They try to be very conservative and realistic about price predictions and things like that. But this is just an article. I try to show y'all different information that's going on. I did read this article already, so I'll just quickly read it for y'all. So Saitama Inu's price prediction for 2025 and where to buy it. This is by Anurada Garg. So many cryptos have registered strong price growth just weeks into their launch. Saitama Inu is one of these cryptos. It launched on May 31st and is named after a mysterious ghost dog. The crypto has gained nearly 30,000% since its launch. The coin has gained a strong fan following as investors look for the next Dogecoin. They want to replicate Dogecoin's gains through other cryptos, including Saitama. What is Saitama Inu's price prediction for 2025? So cryptocurrencies are rebounding and remaining weak due to China's crypto crackdown. While Bitcoin and Ethereum have recovered, many altcoins, including Cardano and Solana still have outperformed them. What is Saitama Inu? Saitama Inu blockchain is a decentralized community platform built on the Ethereum blockchain. It allows traders, crypto enthusiasts, and ordinary people to complete transactions and make payments with ease. It uses a proof of stake algorithm. Saitama Inu coin is the native crypto of this blockchain. So y'all know they're coming out with the Saitama. Saitama aims to educate investors and make the crypto coin simple and safe for everyone in the world. To achieve these goals, Saitama Inu plans to develop its own ecosystem, including a smart wallet, NFT-based platform, launch platform, marketplace, and multi-chain content platform. So Saitama will be rolled out for internal beta with website registration for beta, reviewing documents and paperwork for one of the top 10 exchanges we mentioned next week. Phase 1.5 of Saitama, we will look for Apple Pay, Google Pay, and potential Saitama debit card. So that's something that's very can be big news once we get that to roll out. So back to this article. So Saitama Inu's price prediction for 2025. Digital coin price expects the price of Saitama to reach 0.000000416 by 2025, which implies an upside of nearly 190% from the current level. The 5-year prediction for Saitama isn't available on Wallet Investor. It sees a decline in the price of Saitama in 1 year and concludes that it is a bad long-term 1-year investment. According to the priceprediction.net, by 2025, Saitama could reach 0.0000002, which implies gains of just 40%. While the price predictions vary, most of the analysts aren't very bullish on Saitama token's price prospects. So, is Saitama Inu a good investment? The Saitama network has created a passive income system by which 2% of every transaction with Saitama is deducted and redistributed to its pool of holders. Holders gain passively as the community transacts. The network has a deflationary setup through which an additional 2% of the amount of all transaction is taken out of circulation. This leads to a shrinking supply, which increases the value of Saitama with time. Saitama also plans to launch Saitama, which is a smart wallet that aims to transform the cryptocurrency market by solving the fundamental problems in decentralized finance, which would allow investors from any level to be in control of their wealth. Saitama claims that Saitama will also allow you to buy, sell, swap, transfer, and do whatever you need with any coin without leaving the mobile app. So that's some very big news that we have here. So also, while there could be potential in the crypto, as of now, Saitama isn't doing anything right now that isn't already being done by other blockchain networks. Most of the gains in the token are due to the meme crowd frenzy. Saitama needs to do much more to prove its usefulness beyond being another meme currency to have a widespread acceptance. Therefore, long-term investors could give this token a pass for now. So how to buy it? So y'all know to buy it through Uniswap. Y'all can just check out the videos, my reviews to see that. But now this article may come across as bearish, but to me, I like to see articles like this because this is the worst that, basically they have to say about it. So that gives us opportunity to improve. So the areas that it's saying, you know, that it needs possibly some more disruptive ideas, which I haven't seen them mention that, you know, in the Saitama roadmap. They talk about, you know, the education platform. You know, they talk about, you know, collaborating with universities. Like, that's going to be major. So I'm not sure that this, you know, these analysts are taking that into account. But once that does happen, I can see some very big, you know, adoption happening for Saitama. This is, you know, a very early project, still 4 months. Imagine, you know, what she was looking like 4 months in, you know, versus what it's at right now, or, you know, at its best. So, you know, still very young project. So just like I like to say, stay down for the come up, you know, just be smart with it. That's why I told y'all, you know, I don't like to buy the tops. I like to, you know, look for good entry points, because, you know, we know this project isn't nowhere near done. So that's why I said you want to look to determine if it, you know, these projects can be at least a 1 to 3 year investment for you. And I can see Saitama being around for, you know, that time period. So that's why I'm, you know, okay with putting an amount in here that I'm not. That's why I always tell y'all, always invest in an amount that you're not, that you can afford to lose, basically. So that way, when you see the price drop like this, if it does a 30% correction, you're not panicking, or you're not want a panic sale. So remember, this is, you know, just smart investing, buying the dip, you know, dollar cost averaging over time, and not trying to time the market, but having time in the market. So keep that in mind. That's all we got for this video. Appreciate y'all for pulling up on me, and we are out.